night. And my journey was very colorful. Colorful? Well, I started as a band singer talaga. Way back. Tapos, and then I started doing solo, siguro mga around 2010. And then nung 2012 nga, I joined the X Factor. Then after that, dun tayo napansin ni David Foster. So, yeah. So, when he had a concert in Singapore, nanood talaga ako. Kasi alam ko meron siyang act. Nagtatawag siya ng singer sa crowd. So alam ko yun. So ang ginawa ko, I bought the front ticket kasi magpe-perform naman si Shaka Khan, Babyface. So lahat yun gusto ko panoorin. And then, nung nagtawag siya ng audience to sing, to perform, not just me, marami kami. Pero nung nagtaas ako ng kamay, sabi niya, diyan ka lang, huwag kang aakyat ng stage. Pag nakuha mo ng maganda yung buong stanza, saka ka pa lang, then you can go up stage. Sabi ko, oh. And then, as in, this is 4,000 people we're talking about watching him. And then, nung nag-start na ako kumanta, first line pa lang, tinanong niya ako, sabi niya, ayun pala, tinanong niya muna ako, anong gusto ko kantahin. Sabi ko, I wanna sing your song. Which is the last time, yung kinanta, siya gumawa, tapos kinanta ni Eric Benet. So, ngayon, nung nag-first line ako, pagka-sing ko nung first line, nagsigawan na yung mga tao, nagpalakbakan. Tapos tumigil siya, sabi niya, come up here. So, nakikinig ako, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Tapos, syempre, kumanta na lang ako. And then, that's it. After that, after nung show na yun sa Singapore, sinama niya na ako sa Manila leg, na concert, which is kasama ko naman nun, Boyz II Men, Ruben Studdard, and Natalie Cole. That was her last concert.